begins long before it reaches the factory. It starts here, deep inside bides. Only perfectly ripe cocoa pods are selected. Careful harvesting protects the trees while ensuring
Inside every cocoa pod are fresh cocoa beans surrounded by a naturally sweet fruit pulp. These beans are the foundation of every chocolate bar. Before entering the factory, the beans undergo natural fermentation and careful drying. These essential steps develop the
rations. Once the beans reach the perfect moisture level, they are carefully packed into durable jute sacks. Each shipment is loaded with precision and carefully prepared for transport. Maintaining bean quality during transit has hundreds. After traveling hundreds or even thousands of miles, the cocoa beans finally arrive at one of the world's...
After a long journey from tropical farms, the cocoa beans finally arrive at the chocolate factory, where every shipment is carefully inspected before production begins. Each shipment is unloaded with precision to ensure every cocoa bean reaches the production line in perfect condition. Before production begins, every batch of cocoa beans undergoes strict quality testing to ensure only the finest ingredients. Once approved, the beans enter an advanced cleaning system that removes dust and natural impurities before... Smart optical sorting technology ensures that only the highest quality cocoa beans continue to the next stage of production. With the beans perfectly cleaned and sorted, they are now ready for one of the most important steps in chocolate making, the roasting process.
After cleaning, the cocoa beans enter giant roasting drums. This carefully controlled process develops the deep aroma. Inside the roasters, heat is carefully controlled to unlock the beans' natural chocolate flavor without burning their delicate oils. Once roasting is complete, the beans are rapidly cooled to preserve their flavor before moving on to the next stage of production. After roasting, the cocoa beans enter precision cracking machines. Here, the hard outer shell is...
Using carefully controlled airflow, the lightweight shells are separated from the heavier cocoa nibs, leaving behind the pure ingredient that gives chocolate its rich flavor.
With the shells completely removed, only pure cocoa nibs remain. These nibs are now ready for grinding, where they will the cocoa nibs. Now the cocoa nibs enter powerful industrial grinding mills. Under intense pressure, they begin Oland. As the nibs are finely ground, their natural cocoa butter is released, creating a thick, silky cocoa
sheet. Once perfectly ground, the liquid cocoa is pumped through a closed, automated system to the mixing department, where the ingredients. Inside these massive mixing tanks, carefully measured ingredients, including sugar, milk powder, and cocoa butter, are combined with liquid. Powerful mixers work continuously to blend every ingredient into a perfectly smooth and consistent chocolate mixture, ensuring the same delicious taste in every bar. With the ingredients perfectly blended, the chocolate mixture now moves to the refining stage, where its texture becomes incredible. To achieve its signature silky texture, the chocolate passes through precision riffing rollers that reduce every particle to an... Refining removes every trace of graininess, creating the smooth texture that people expect from premium chocolate.
Once refined, the chocolate enters the conching process, where time, heat, and continuous mixing create its rich flavor and velvety finish. During conching, the chocolate is mixed for hours under carefully controlled conditions, allowing unwanted moisture and acidities. With its flavor fully developed, the chocolate now moves to tempering, where precise temperature control gives every chocolate bar its controls the chocolate's temperature, creating stable cocoa butter crystals that give every chocolate bar its beautiful shine and satisfying snap.
At this stage, every degree matters. Perfect tempering ensures the chocolate remains smooth, glossy, and melts perfectly in every bite. Gentle vibration removes trapped air and creates a perfectly smooth surface, ensuring every chocolate bar has a flawless finish. The molded chocolate now enters a carefully controlled cooling tunnel, where it slowly hardens into perfectly formed chocolate bars. After carefully cooling, every chocolate bar reaches its final shape and glossy finish before undergoing one last its. Advanced robotic packaging systems wrap every chocolate bar with incredible speed and precision, protecting. From carefully selected cocoa beans to perfectly wrapped chocolate bars, every step is designed to the same delicious quality.